guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek and today I am going to be doing an easy vegetarian salad for you that's called as the peanut crunch salad. Let's go and see the recipe. 30 grams of roasted peanut, 30 grams chopped tomatoes, 30 grams chopped cucumber, 30 grams chopped onion, 2 whole lime. In a mixing bowl, first we're going to add peanut, 30 grams of tomato, 30 grams of onion, 30 grams of cucumber, and 1 whole lime juice, and half a teaspoon of Chaat Masala. So as it's a lockdown, we don't have access to coriander or any greens. You could also add coriander and mint and garnish the same. Alright guys, so our peanut crunch is ready. Now I'm going to add the last surprise ingredient. And here we go. That's 50 grams of cottage cheese. So the amazing peanut crunch healthy salad is ready. Give it a nice toss and done. Super healthy, super delicious. Peanut is an excellent source of biotin. That means you'll have long, lustrous, beautiful hair. Second, it also contains some of the same oxidants as red wine. So here's a healthy salad for you. Thank you.